be physically that's just ridiculous and bonkers to me, because when I travel internationally or I have different international accounts, majority 99% that I can the only time I have ever recall going into a bank to open a bank account was once when I was a minor, when I was traveling internationally. I have opened bank accounts in different countries without even setting foot in the bank. So to have to go into the bank, to have to file paperwork manually, to have to, these things we need to move a little faster as we expedite these matters. And I'm hoping that the connectivity of the different infrastructure can enable the banking sector for us to develop our financial arsenal to be one of the world's premier. But Jamaica is a safe place